What's up, xillerated fam? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Hey, we finally got something else to upgrade inside of the car, and that's finally, I think, getting rid of the OEM stereo. And what we got here is the, don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, Atoto A6. It is an Android head unit, and I got this specifically because of one thing that I see an advantage of than having the callback support. But let's skip all that and get it back to what we were doing, which is unboxing this. So what comes inside of this GPS, looks like the GPS module, microphone, external storage, so your USB hookup, a phone link, so another USB hookup, but specifically for your phone, I guess. Then you got your subwoofer input and video inputs with two separate wires. Then you got the main stereo harness, your converters, RCA converters, mounts, bezel, radio bezel, main stereo just packaged in. And there you go. Forgot to mention that I also got the Subaru wire harness, radio harness, so it makes it a lot easier to install. Definitely gonna need this, part number 3897. I'm gonna wire this up all together right here, make it a lot easier to just wire it outside of the car and then get to the replacing the stereo. Okay, so back at the bench, got the wires wired up all together, nicely soldered and heat shrinked. Now we're gonna figure out the mounting situation. So it comes with this here, but this is how the unit sits without it. Got the essentials all hooked up. So now we're gonna go back in the car and hook this to the stereo. Oh, don't forget to install your mounts though, your stereo mounts, because I definitely just forgot. Okay, so I'm hooking everything up to the wire harness. Got it plugged in like this. I'm gonna hook up the antenna and everything, power it on and see how it goes. Alright, just want to make sure that everything is good to go before hooking it back up. We're gonna test this out real quick. Nice. Turns on. Okay, so before I put everything back together though, I do want to wire the GPS, and so the way I'm going to route the GPS antenna is going to be through the headliner and then the A-pillar straight under the dash, and then shoot right over into the radio area. Got everything all back together, got the mic hooked up. It's dirty, it's just shooting straight across. The GPS is hooked up, going through the A-pillar, underneath the dash, following the wiring harness that's going across straight into the radio area. Then I have the USB shooting straight down from the radio area into where the ashtray would be. It would leave a hole where the light is. Mine didn't come with it, so it's pretty convenient that it worked out the way it did. So I got the phone link right here and external storage USB. Here goes the first startup after connecting everything back into the car. Got it on accessory. Turns on right away. That's not bad for this head unit. And so I connected my phone already. It usually pops up to this screen, which is Android Auto. You got your Google Maps, your Spotify, so you could open it individually, your phone, and then your message from right there. Then you got Google Assistant button, and you got the whole dashboard right there that you can see. Then you could always press home. You get to the home button and you get this whole look when you first turn it on. But the main reason why I got this is because of the BTSSM app, which is 14 bucks on the Play Store. But I don't have a cob access port, and this actually helps gives you a good look at your gauges, basically, of your car, what's going on with your car. You could also get your 0 to 60 and data log from this head unit now, and you could always change the fields or whatever you want to look at, get your codes from here, and yeah, pretty much changes the whole layout. I could get into this after I use it for quite some time, about a month or so, because this will probably be my second day messing with it. But from there, you got your equalizer. You could definitely tune the audio the way you want to. Your phone's connected to your Bluetooth. Then this is the radio, so you could press it to get to the radio. And it plays all the stations pretty good. And you could have many presets if you scroll as well. So it goes up to 13, I believe. Oh, nope. 18. Goes up to 18. So you could have 18 stations preset. And you got multi-band right there and everything. But you also have a widget for it, so you could pause it if you don't want to play the radio, which I have on the second screen. But if you guys have been noticing, the touch is really good. It's pretty sensitive. It goes with the unit as I swipe, so it's not like there's a lag or anything. And so far, that's what I'm liking about this. You could add on to this as well. You could use Google Maps. I installed the GPS unit up here somewhere, and I downloaded the offline map, so I could use I got the whole Vegas offline maps, and I could use this without using my cell phone location, just using the GPS unit on the car. And so far that's worked pretty well, which is not bad. Then you could also hook up a front camera, so you could get your dash cam and also the rear view camera, which I'm about to get next month. Oh, it's right there, R cam, so you could have a live view of the rear of the back of your car and whatnot. But as you can see, you could download many apps. This unit is capable of many things. I'm connected to my home Wi-Fi, so that's one upside too. You could connect to the Wi-Fi at places and be able to sit, relax in the car, watch some YouTube. Like, this is pretty quick. It connects to 5G or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi or the 2.5 gigahertz. Yeah, as you see, the unit is pretty good. HD, it's crazy. So So your brightness is right there. That's the brightest, middle, and then lowish. Then you got the multi memory, clear, middles for home, triangles for back. You could browse the web if you wanted to. Then yeah, that's pretty much it for the install. Don't want to make this video any longer than it has to be, but make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up with the build. Catch you guys next time. Peace out.